Software sensors, analytical intelligence, and universal data are an offshoot of extending the computer's ability to collect, process, and exchange network data to real-world objects. But today, computers themselves and their infrastructure have become not just a supporting technology, but an enabling system for modern businesses. Today we can say that networking, communication, cloud, and electronic infrastructures have become as strategic as industrial plants themselves. This is precisely why Powua applies the same capabilities in the creation and management of smart networks. Intelligent networks are computer networks with built-in intelligence, so that identification and transfer are performed by the network itself, thanks to data protocols that automatically identify problems, incidents, and schedule automatic scalability